Hello guys, and we're back with another freaking video. Can't see this. Can't see this. Alright guys, and hold on. We're back. So what are you doing? What are you at anyway? It's an American bully. I got a new puppy. It's an American bully. So hold on. We're back. Don't jump at me. Because you're in the train. Hey, chill. Chill. Oh, he's scared. Let me out of this train. Get me off! This is a nightmare! Ah! And this is the tour. Well, she is right there about to bite me. Do not choke yourself. Do not. Eat my feet. Eat my feet. Oh! Alright, bye guys.